Welcome! In this explainer, we're going to walk through the essential keyboard commands for Mac's built-in screen reader, VoiceOver. This is your guide to mastering navigation without a mouse. To make sense of it all, we're going to explore this miniature world of commands. We'll start here with the full picture, and then zoom right in to look at each command step by step. Let's get started. Our journey is broken down into three simple parts. First, we'll cover setup and orientation just to get you up and running. Then we'll dive into navigating the interface so you can find your way around. And finally, we'll look at interaction and control, which is really all about how to make things happen. It's a logical path that'll build your skills from the ground up. Okay, let's begin with the absolute basics, how to turn VoiceOver on and get your bearings. So first things first, the most important command to know is Command F5. This simple key combo is your master switch. You press it to start VoiceOver and you press it again to turn it off. Easy as that. Now here's a core concept you need to grasp, the VoiceOver keys, or VO keys for short. This is the combination of control and option. You're going to press and hold these two keys together for most of the commands we'll talk about. Think of them as your command center. You ever land on an item and you're not quite sure what it is or what it does? Well, there's a command for that. Just press the VO keys, that's Control and Option, along with Shift and N. VoiceOver will give you a helpful hint about that element. You know, sometimes VoiceOver can get a little chatty. If you need to quiet it down mid-sentence, you don't need a complicated shortcut. A single press of the Control key will instantly mute whatever it's saying. All right, great. With those setup basics covered, we're ready to start moving around. Let's head over to the next part of our tour and see how we can actually navigate. Often, elements on a page or in an app are bundled together in groups. To go inside a group and see what's there, you use the VO keys plus Shift and the down arrow. And to get back out, you guessed it, VO plus Shift and the up arrow. Here's one you probably already know, the Escape key. Just like in so many other places on your Mac, it's your universal get me out of here button for closing menus or backing out of an action. This is your fundamental way of getting around. Using the VO keys with the left and right arrows lets you move through every single element on the screen, one after the other. It might not always be the fastest, but it's definitely the most thorough. You won't miss a thing. But what if you don't need to hear all the static text? What if you just want to get to the next link or button? To jump between those interactive items, just use the Tab key to move forward and Shift Tab to go backward. It's a much quicker way to get things done. All right, we're in the home stretch. We know how to get set up, we know how to get around. So for a final section, let's look at how to actually do things with the elements we find. This one is key. It's basically your mouse click. When you land on a button, a link, or anything you want to select, you just press the VO keys plus the spacebar to activate it. That's how you press something using VoiceOver. And with that, we zoom back out. Our tour is complete. These commands really are the foundation. From turning VoiceOver on, to navigating around, to actually activating elements, they form the core of a powerful screen reader experience.